Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session of optimization technique in your BTech 6th trimester, today I will discuss, please let us note the topic, linearized search technique. Linearized, L-I-N-E-A-R-I-Z-E-D, linearized search, S-E-A-R-C-H, search technique, T-E-C-H-N-I-Q-U-E, linearized search technique. This is the name of the topic. By the term, it is clear that the method or the technique we are going to use for the solution of an optimization problem or to optimize a function. We are going to take the linear expression, we are going to take the linear optimization. So, I am sharing here a literature for you. This is single variable minimization and line search. This is the meaning of your topic. Here we consider a scalar function f that depends on a single dependent variable x. Let us suppose we want to find the value of x, where fx is minimum value. Furthermore, we want to do with what? What we want to do in our optimization? Low computational cost, low memory requirement, low failure rate. We are taking precaution when we are taking the function for the study of low variable minimization. So all these 3 points to be taken for the consideration. Often the computational effort is dominated by the computation of f and its derivatives. So some of the requirements can be translated into evaluate fx and differentiation of f with respect to x as few times as possible. Now optimality conditions are what? The types of minima are in 1, 2, 3 we have mentioned here, the strong local minimum, weak local minimum and global minimum. And for these all we shall try to again repeat the Taylor's theorem as it has been in the part of your previous syllabus. That if a function fx is n time differentiable and the boundary condition is like this, that exists such that fx plus h is this. This I know, I hope that you know that what is the Taylor's theorem. So there is no need to give more focus on this. MSc मैथमेटिक्स में स्टैटिस्टिक्स नहीं, अपने यहाँ तो शायद MSc मैथ्स में स्टैटिस्टिक्स नहीं है, ऐसे मैं पढ़ाता नहीं हूँ यहाँ पर MSc में। होता है मतलब मतलब ये सिलेबस के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, अपने यहाँ भी स्टैटिस्टिक्स है नहीं सिलेबस में,
तो ले लेगी तो हम उसमें जोड़ देंगे अगर उसको चाहिए तो, क्या है। हम्म हम्म हम्म।
So for a local minimum x bar, we see here the result. Students, I suggest you that you should go through this topic, root finding and function minimization. Solving the first order optimality conditions, that is finding x bar such that f dash x bar is equal to 0, is equivalent to finding the roots of the first derivative of the function to be minimized. Therefore, root finding methods can be used to find the stationary point and are useful in function minimization. Using machine, you can take this result. In this topic, we have to understand the method of bisection, the method of seconds. So bisect means to divide into two parts minimum at least. See the function, then evaluate the midpoint of the function like this. This is Newton methods for linearity, linearize such technique. And this is secant method. I told you fx k plus 1 is equal to xk minus fxk into this. And Fibonacci search, you can see this also. So students, I hope that you have understand that what is linearized search techniques, how the linear equation in a single variable plays important role, and how this concept was developed by different scholars, different scientists with the help of the different functions. It is a matter of study for us. This session, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query, feel free to write your comment in the inbox. Thank you for listening and enjoying this lecture.